My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site Q3rrassa.click. Q3rrassa.click is a junk site attacking many browsers today, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. These pop-ups are absolutely fake. They claim that you have visited some illegal infected website, and then the real purpose of this pop-up is to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. So if you ever see these fake alerts on your computer screen, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest, and don't click on any buttons that may be integrated into these pop-ups. Now, such alerts may be explained by the presence of some adware on your computer. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel and then uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official website, combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter to detect such threats and to remove them effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.